Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make snowball cookies. These are one of our favorite holiday cookies and super easy to make. In a large mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of softened butter. I'm going to add in half a cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And using an electric hand mixer or stand mixer, beat together until smooth. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of finely chopped pecans and mix together until combined. Then using a small ice cream scoop, scoop out the dough and roll the dough into about a 1-inch ball, then place on a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper. You should get about 28 to 30 cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 14 minutes or until lightly golden. Then transfer the cookies to a cooling rack to let cool for about 5 minutes or until cooled enough to handle. And then it's time to roll each cookie in the powdered sugar. You want the cookies to be warm, not hot, while doing this. Place them back on the cooling rack and let cool completely. Once the cookies have cooled, roll them one last time in the powdered sugar. And these snowball cookies are ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching.